Somebody stole our cord. So now I'm gonna make sure they can't steal it anymore. Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, this is the iron forge cable for an RV, all right? So this is a replacement cord for any kind of RV that takes power cords like this, all right? This is a 10-3, so it's heavy duty. It's really thick stuff. 125 volt, 3750 watt, 3-wire with a ground. There's your ground and white and black, okay? Or whichever they got it hooked up like in here. All right, so good heavy duty end on it. I cannot get that to move, so she's clamped on really, really good. I did put my other end on here, and I had to cut some casing off to get that to fit. And I just wanted to make sure you guys know the thickness of the casing. Look at that. That's what I am really concerned about, because the chances of it cracking and stuff like that is pretty slim, okay? But that is heavy duty casing, and you can see how thick that is, okay? But yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with this, and we're gonna get it on and get going. All right, that's my review. Thanks for coming.